Hey you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so that you will be notified of any upcoming videos I post. Also, at the end of this video, if you really like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and comment down below what you thought about the video. Okay, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing the illusion method for my crochet lock today. Okay, I just parted my hair in 2 sections. It doesn't have to be completely neat, but the front ones I tried to make a little neater. The back really doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to part my hair again, and I am just going to rubber band that first section. Now I'm going to connect that section with the section behind it, and I'm just going to rubber band those together. Now I'm just going to continue this on the front half of my hair. Now I'm moving on to the back section. I just grabbed the hair, the rest of the hair from the front, and I just braided it straight back. I parted it just like the top section, but this does not have to be neat because you will not see this because your locks will be hanging over it. Now that I'm done with that, I am now going to take the hanging part of my braids, and I am going to use my crochet needle, and I'm going to pull it up through the braids. That way it's not hanging down with my locks. Okay, so that was a little difficult because I couldn't see. I was just kind of winging it, but I got it done. Might not be the best, but I got it done. Okay, so these locks I purchased on Amazon. I do believe they might have been $40 altogether. I got 2 packs, but I think in those packs it came with 6 little packs. I did not need both packs, but I just got it to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm showing you the crochet loop. This is where you would loop the crochet lock through to knot it on your hair. Okay, I didn't show you the back because you just crochet it just like this through the braids or under the braids. But this is the illusion method, and you are going to crochet over the rubber band. So you're going to stick your crochet hook underneath the rubber band, pull your lock through, and then go ahead and pull that lock through that loop, and then basically tighten it around the rubber band. This is supposed to give the illusion that it is individual locks.
Opinions to know how you feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living, nothing that they could do, nothing that.
Okay, you guys, don't mind my background. I was eating noodles with hot sauce and I left that in the background, but you know, it was a rough time. I was watching TV and trying to get this done and eating. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it, and also please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also hit that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you for coming to my channel, and if you are returning subscribers, thank you for continuing to support me.